A week ago I started a grub composting bucket. Here's how it looks 4 days in. Bottom stuff's really stuck in there. Time to aerate this compost anyway, but we can see how they're done. Haven't really chewed through many of these, but that one's actually dead. Using grubs to compost in a bucket, not as good as just regular compost and trench composting. And then how it looks 1 week later. Well, the ants got in there. Grubs look like they're still alive. They cleaned up most of the leaf litter and anything soft. They didn't do anything fibrous, so that's not really decomposed at all, except for right in the middle. So they didn't do great. Even with as many grubs as were in there when I started this, it just takes them too long and they didn't really work out. So do not recommend using grubs for any compost of any level. I'm just going to leave this for the birds.